Alright guys, so welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a brand new concealer to try out for you guys today, and it comes to us from Milk Makeup. I picked up the Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer, and I picked it up in shade 5W, which is described as Fair Warm. Now this little concealer dropped today on the Sephora website. I was able to do curbside at my local Sephora and it retails for $29. This concealer comes in 30 different shades, and it looks to me like the shade range looks pretty good, pretty decent. Now this concealer is gonna provide medium coverage with a natural finish. It's gonna be a hydrating concealer as well. On the website it says it's infused with hyaluronic acid and two ingredients I have no idea how to pronounce, Defensil and Revival, which are going to support and protect the skin barrier. No clue if I pronounced those correctly. And it's also infused with caffeine, aloe vera, and arnica, which is also going to help visibly brighten and smooth the complexion. I'm very excited to try this product out because I don't have a lot of Milk Makeup in my stash, and I've never tried one of their complexion products before. So anytime a concealer or foundation comes out, even a setting powder, my interest is always piqued. I'm really excited for this video, and I'm trying something a little bit different. I don't want to wear my concealer, or when I start doing these reviews and wear tests, I want to wear the concealer in just more than one place other than my under eye area, and like to spot conceal on the sides of my cheeks. So what I think I'm going to be doing, and I've been giving this some thought, and let me know your thoughts as well in the comments below. When I try out a new concealer, I'm going to try it out as a foundation. And so, for example, today's review application wear test, you're going to see the application portion in just a bit, but I'm actually wearing this concealer all over my face. So on one side of the face, I treated it like it was any given foundation on any given day, meaning I went in with primer, powder, setting spray, you name it. And then on the other side of my face, I didn't go in with any helping products, nothing but the concealer. And of course I am wearing it all over this side, all over my face, but all over this side without any of those helping products. I think by looking at me right now, you can pretty much see a clear difference. One side looks a little bit more radiant, has a little bit more of a glow, while the other side does have a little bit more of a mattifying effect. So I think that's how I'm going to be doing my concealer wear test, just so that we can, you know, just see how it looks like all over the face, because where I apply concealer might not be where you apply concealer. And I think just wearing it over a broad area is going to help us make a better buying decision and determine whether this is something that we think is going to work for us or not. At least that is my hope with this new way of doing my concealer reviews, but I would love to get your feedback on that, so definitely leave me a comment down below. And if it is your first time here on my channel, a very good video I think that you picked to start off with. My name is Steph. Hello and welcome. I love doing this. I love trying out new makeup, foundation, concealer, like complexion products especially are my favorite things to do. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. I do makeup ranking videos. If all of that sounds great to you and you want to see my videos on pretty much a daily basis, because I do tend to upload quite a bit, guilty as charged, do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. I tend to upload in the evenings during the week, and then on the weekend it could be at any given time. And if you like what you see, if you're a fan of Milk Makeup, or you're just a fan of concealers altogether, give this video a thumbs up before you go. I will have everything that I'm using linked and listed in the description box, which this is the extent of the makeup for today. So there's actually not a lot of makeup on this face, but everything that I do have on will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I'm really excited, guys, really excited to try this out. Once again, this is my first time trying a Milk Makeup complexion products, and I have very high expectations for it. If you guys want to see how this new Milk Makeup Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer, medium coverage, natural finish is gonna wear, oh, I forgot to mention, on my 40-year-old normal to oily skin, keep on watching. All right, guys, let's dive into this new concealer from Milk Makeup. So I'm going to be doing this concealer review a little bit different. I've been trying to find a way to do my concealer reviews to where I can really just show you guys straight up how the concealer performs. And I think what I'm leaning more towards is wearing it as foundation. So what I'm gonna do today is one side of my face, I'm going to go in with all of the helping products. First up is gonna be primer. I'm gonna use this one from Essence, the Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer, my favorite of the moment. And then for the right side of my face, I'm not gonna use any primer, any powder, no setting spray, nothing. And that way we can really see the true wear of the concealer. Let me know what you think about that. Let me know if that sounds pretty good. I mean, I'm gonna be using the concealer all over, so we're definitely gonna get to see, you know, the coverage, the consistency, texture, and how it wears. But I feel like maybe applying it to a larger area instead of just, you know, spot concealing, doing the under eye area, I feel like that might show the product off a little bit better. Okay, so for this side of the face, I'm already primed. We're ready to go. I'm not going to do any primer on this side, so I'm going to start off. Once again, I'm in shade 5W, which is Fair Warm. This is going to give medium coverage with natural finish. This is everything that has come off on the doe foot. I'm not dipping back in. I'm just using everything that came off, and there's still some there. Now I like to apply my foundations with a foundation brush, and I'm going to use this one. This is the latest version of the It Cosmetics for Ulta Beauty Love is a Foundation brush. Let me know if you were able to pick this brush up. What do you think about it? I've been using mine. Using it, loving it. No issues whatsoever. I'm really excited for this concealer review because I've never tried a Milk makeup complexion product. Like, I know they have tinted serums and stuff. I've never tried them. I honestly haven't tried a lot from Milk Makeup. I've tried 2 of their mascaras. The Kush mascara, love that one, but it just flakes on me. And then the On the Rise mascara, it's nice, but it smells like day-old bread. So, I don't know. Haven't really found that great of a mascara yet from Milk, but I do love their primer. You know, I probably should have used their gripping primer, but oh well. I have this one closer to me. Okay, so here's what it looks like essentially with just one coat. I think it's a true medium coverage, and I also think that the shade is like spot on. It's really good. I didn't want to get a shade that was going to be brightening. I just wanted something that was going to be a little more true to my skin tone. I've really been looking at that lately when it comes to concealer. I've been going that way, getting away from like the brightening, like going a little bit lighter for the under eye area. I don't know, just the mood I'm in. But this is how it looks. Now I do have a little bit of a flare up right here. I don't know if it's just allergies or what. But this is how it looks under the eye area. Now I'm going to add a little bit more. And I'm going to use my BK Beauty concealer brush for the under eye area. Am I going to use that one? Actually, no. I'm going to use this one from Shop Miss A. This is the E104. I really need to buy myself another one of those BK Beauty concealer brushes. They are so good. So you can see now the difference that it makes going in with like a smaller little brush for the under eye area, and I'm kind of just pressing it in, and I really see the built up coverage. It's a natural finish, which I'm all about. I think that is my favorite finish for like concealer and foundation especially. Okay, that looks really good. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. This is always the area where I build up coverage, and we'll do a little bit right there too. I'm gonna stay using this little brush. I'm just kind of stippling and just pressing it in. I'll go over everything with my damp beauty sponge in a second. But this is a great way to just spot conceal and get the coverage exactly where you need it. I like that. And you can definitely see there's more coverage now. It built up really nicely. Really like the texture, the consistency. Okay, now we need to do this other side. This other side is not gonna have primer, powder, no setting spray, which I did buy a new setting spray. I got what's new to me, but I got the mini size of the one from One Size Beauty On Till Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. Don't think I'll be using that one in today's video, but I wanted to try it out. I also picked up House Labs foundation and powder. So I'll be doing that wear test. I'll be starting it tomorrow. All right, so here is just one coat without primer. It looks nice, but I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the left side. And build up coverage right here, since this is always what I do. I'm actually home from work today. My AC was acting up yesterday, and that is not a good thing. So the repairman came a little while ago, and he's gonna have to come back tomorrow, give it a deep clean, because it's not old, it's only like 2 years old, but it just needs like a really deep clean. And obviously that's not something I can do because there's electrical parts they need to take out, and I'm not about to attempt that, electrocute myself. So yeah, it's kind of warm right now. I do have a backup AC, but I turned it off because it sounds like there's a freight train in the room when I have that one on, but thank God I have a backup. Yeah, hopefully that'll get fixed tomorrow. And I've been watching the news, so sad about Queen Elizabeth. Ugh, what an incredible life she led. May she rest in peace. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna press over everything. There's no additional product on this sponge. Just making sure everything is pressed in, seamless. It's also a nice way in case you went in with too much foundation or concealer to kind of just soak it up a little bit. All right, so from here, I think both sides look really nice. No primer. So far, I am liking it. Now I'm gonna use one of my favorite powders, which is from Flower Beauty, the Miracle Matte Loose Finishing Powder. And I'm gonna set this side of the face. Okay, so I'm taking a closer look at everything. I can definitely see that the luminosity that it had, that slight natural finish definitely looks a little bit more matte versus this side where I think you can clearly see a bit of that glow coming through, but I'm a normal to oily skin type, so I will get glowy all by myself. Yeah, I think it looks nice. I think it feels nice. This side does still feel tacky. Whereas over here, obviously it feels set because I applied the powder. Now for this side of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Porefessional. And let me let's see, use my little makeup bag here. All right, now I feel like maybe I lost a little bit of coverage right there when I was applying the powder. That's strange. Well, I guess they look the same, right? Okay, guys, so this is going to be a 10-hour wear test. I will check in with you guys in 5 hours. We'll see what side is looking better. And then, of course, at the end of the day, we'll wrap up this 10-hour wear test, trying out this new Milk Makeup. What is the official name of this one again? The Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer in shade 5W. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, 5 hour check-in here, and things aren't looking that great on either side of my face. So here's the side with powder. Um, it's caking up a lot, like around my nose, and it's starting to break up like right in here. It just it looks makeup-y. It doesn't look that great. Now over here, I can definitely see that it settled a little bit into the fine lines. I definitely have more of a glow. I'm shiny. It's also breaking apart over here as well. It just, yeah, there's cakiness going on right there. It's not looking great on either side. So I'm a little concerned. If I had to choose a side that I like best, I would say the side with the powder. I mean, I kind of like the luminosity here, but it's just not laying that great. So we'll see how it does. I'm kind of scared for the 10-hour check-in, but we'll see. We're going to give this, another 5 more hours. So I'll be back and we'll see whether this new Milk Makeup Concealer is worth your time and your money. Hey guys, we've come to the end of this 10-hour wear test, trying out this new Milk Makeup Concealer. So here's the side of my face without powder. Like ugh. I just looked at myself in the bathroom mirror and all of the oil that's like on my nose, it's also like rubbed off here. It looks gross. It feels gross. Over here on the side that I did powder, it's definitely all caked up in here. It's accentuating texture. I think even under my eye area, I feel like I've lost a little bit of coverage even with it set versus without it set. I just not a big fan. Not a big fan. It's definitely all coming off on my chin. Like you can clearly see that, like it's missing. It's just not for me, guys. I don't know what it is, but I've only tried like maybe 2 products from Milk that I like. Um, and this mascara, this is the Rise mascara. I mean, it's already flaked. I've kind of had to like flick it off here. Um, yeah, no, don't like this mascara. I don't know. I don't know. This brand is very hit or miss for me, and like I'm definitely not gonna wear this concealer again without setting it. I'm gonna keep trying it. I'm gonna give it 1 or 2 more chances, and if it doesn't, look great by the beginning of next week, then I'm probably gonna end up returning this and just get my $30 back. But as of right now, I really don't like the way either side looks. I feel like it's accentuated the little fine lines that I have under my eyes. It's just not great. I definitely have other products, other concealers that I've tried that do a much better job than what this one does. And for 30 bucks or $29, I mean, like that's 30 bucks, Like you want your makeup, if you're going to spend that much, you want it to look good, and this just didn't do it for me. I'm ready to take this off. Like, yeah, I've had enough. I've had enough of this review and wear test. So as of right now, guys, this is not going to be something that I recommend. I'll likely try it again. Like I said, I'm going to give it a few more days, try it with a couple other, foundations, powders, just wear it in a more traditional way than wearing it all over my face. But at least we got to see, what this would be like. Because I know a lot of you out there, you are wearing your concealer as foundation. And let me know what you think or you thought about this type of a wear test for concealers. Do you like that I apply it all over, or would you rather just me wear it the traditional way and try it out that way? Please let me know in the comments what you guys think about how I should proceed in the future with these concealer reviews and wear tests. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.